So now I'm going to show you how to connect your leak defense system control panel to your home Wi-Fi network. First, you're going to tap the Wi-Fi icon in the top right, and then you're going to select View Networks. Be sure that this toggle switch is switched to on so that it can actually find your home network. After the list of Wi-Fi networks shows up, you're going to toggle through the list to select the correct one. Then you'll press the Select button, and you'll enter the password. After you've finished entering the password, you're going to click the check mark box in the bottom right, and then you're going to select it again, and then you're going to select Save Changes, and your panel will reboot itself. You'll see that the Wi-Fi icon in the top right has turned gray. That just means it's actively connecting to your home Wi-Fi network. After about 30 seconds, if it successfully connects to your home Wi-Fi network, you'll notice that the Wi-Fi icon has turned green. You can confirm the connection by tapping the Wi-Fi icon and reading "Connected to your home Wi-Fi network." It's important to connect your control panel to your home Wi-Fi network for a number of reasons. You can utilize our mobile app, allowing you to receive remote notifications and alerts, and also allows you to remotely control your leak defense system from afar. It also allows our technicians to provide you with better support. If you do run into issues, please call our technical support line, and one of our representatives will be happy to assist you.